All right. So let's see how this works. I'm trying to recreate an animation, and let's see how long it will take me. Essentially, okay. Let's see. I am. Oh shit. Okay. Well, I didn't put that here. Say hi, YouTube. Okay. Do the wiggle animation. Let's see. Because essentially I know how to make it and it's not going to be that hard, right? So, come on.
Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah.
Okay, again.
Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, wiggle,
okay, so the
wiggle,
spine is moving. The spine is moving, and then the legs are moving left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, I think I can probably make this much better. Or much worse. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Blender. Alright, where are you at? Right click. This one. Let's reopen my starting point. Alright, great. Perfect. Alright, so let's see if I remember this correctly. Alt-I, delete keyframe. Yes, AA. Alt-I, just to be sure. Good. Let's see. Let's see. I want to say N. Nope. T. Nope. Which one was it? This one, so I can put it down here. Okay, let's see. Rotate. No. Wait, why isn't it that? What the fuck? Hang on a second. Is this one? Yes. So rotate down. Okay. Rotate here. I'm gonna clear them afterwards, right? So essentially, I just want this one. Rotate. No, wait. Rotate down. Here. Let's see. Okay, great. So essentially, this would be a starting point. I mean, I have another one, but I don't want to. Oh, let's fuck it. Let's try it. Maybe the other one is the right one, the right starting point. Is it this one? Might be this one. Essentially, like the avatar when it starts out, you have to imagine that the avatar is always T-posing, right? Oh, this is the start point. Yeah, okay, good. So you have to imagine that the avatar is always T-posing, right? So let me close this other one. Close. No, I don't want to. Do you want to quit? Yeah, save as I'm not being saved. You really want to quit? Yes, I want to quit. Okay, and this is almost. I'm gonna quit this one. Quit this one. Wait, what am I doing here? Hang on a second. Yes, I want to quit. Okay, so there's nothing on the line, right? Meaning that the avatar itself, it doesn't look like this. You have to imagine it that it's T-posing, right? What does T-posing mean? That means it's like this: pose, animation. Where is it? Clear, transform, all. So this is what the avatar would look like, right? But obviously without these markers in it, because now it actually timed and locked in the bones to be this way. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to say undo, right? Because I don't need this, right? Like I need to essentially start from a position where I assume that the avatar is this way with the hands down, essentially. But the thing is, the avatar is not that way. The avatar has all the time the hands by its side. There's animations that are built into it that make it breathe and make it do this. Watch. Alt-I. Wait, no. Control-I. Where the fuck is it? Here. So if you look at the avatar slowly, you will see not this one. Well, let's see. Star use 191. 191 is the male avatar. But I don't wear a male one. I actually have a custom furry that is worn under this one. And since this is not important, so you're gonna see it. What I mean by this. Okay. So you see how it breathes? Okay, well, this means that these breathing animation, as well as the hands down by its side, it's what is many people make the mistake that they think this is how an avatar starts, but you can actually go and check it out yourself. If you don't believe me, you can go to create, and you can say derive new product and say male 191. Say okay, and then you're gonna see what I mean. So if you go into actions. Anyways, so my point being is that this is a custom file. Like I can send it to you if you need it, but look, check this out. So we're gonna go to actions, and I'm just gonna say remove all of them. Right? Now watch what happens, see? The avatar T-poses. So it's those actions that make the hands point down by the side. So if you assume that, you know, the avatar is already pointing down by with his hand but by his side, right? And then you tell it, hey, move my hands like 90 degrees this way, then, you know, instead of your hands going down, your hands are going to end up somewhere here. So yeah, just, that's why it's always good to know, like, every single little thing that you do when you move, you're either locking in bones or you're not locking in bones. So right now, it's obviously going to start from a standing position. So the avatar is going to go bend down its knees, and let's see. So it's going to be the first one is going to be here. I'm going to say, take this. I'm going to say move it down. Say G, Z. I'm going to move it down a little bit here. And I'm going to say this is going to be the starting point. Right? I'm going to say this. Let's see, rotate. I'm going to say rotate a little bit this way. This, rotate this way. Rotate up. I'm going to do the same thing for this. Right? And essentially, like, what I'm doing right now is I'm doing a starting pose, right? Like, where is it going to start? Like, avatar is going to start right here, and then this is going to be like the animation, like, track, right? So I'm just going to keep clicking on ahead as I keep doing it, right? So the avatar itself is going to go down, obviously, so I'm going to go move its body down, right? This much, not too much anyways. But it's going to be bent over, right? So to have its ass showing, let's see, rotate. Well, no, I'm not going to rotate that one because that one is the... I could, but I don't want to, actually. Not that one. So, let's see. Yeah, no, that's going to be harder if I do it that way. Hang on a second. Let's say rotate this one. Rotate this one. And I'm going to use these ones here, see if I can rotate these. Now this is going to go up a bit. The other one is going to go up a bit again. Oops. I'm going to press escape. Now it's going to go up a bit as well. Awesome. Okay. And now I can get the avatar going. Let's see. Did that actually, let's see. Yeah, it did lock some things in it. Okay, good. So then I'm gonna get him to go forward. And I could lock these bones in, but I'm too fucking lazy to do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna say screw it and let's do it my way. So he's gonna be roughly around, but it's gonna be with his legs bent down. So yeah, let me see. Rotate. It's gonna be about here. Yeah, okay. Let's see, G, Z, up. Hang on a second. So the animation is gonna go. I don't know if it's not gonna be like, you know, I'm doing this like really, really fast, so we'll see. And I want him to be lower, actually, like a little bit onto the ground. Let's see. No, wait. Grab GZ. Hang on a second. Good. Let's see. Good. Y. Awesome. Right, I did a mistake. So you're always supposed to do animations past markers that you've already done, right? So not before them anyways, because then they look stupid. right? So let's say rotate down, rotate a little bit up, and let's see here. So essentially he does what? He does no Z, no Y. Yes. So he does one like this, and I'm gonna say 35 is gonna say no, rotate Y. Let's do one like this. Okay, now I'm gonna go back. In the middle, I'm gonna go right here. And let's get the head shaking left to right. Good. Now let's say that this one is going to go like this. And back down like this. Oops. Rotate back in. Alright, good. And now, let me do this stupid spine here. Y, rotate Y. Rotate Y. Again, down the other way. And now we're gonna get his legs back, so he doesn't look like a fucking chicken. That's why I have this here on the sides, because it's easier to move, like, you know, when you're working with rotate or, like, you know, with locking and... Alright, and now, let's see. Now for the hands. So the hands do something. So the hands have to go on the ass, of course. So let's put them down. Let's say down. Good. And now this one is gonna go. Wow. That's hopefully it is gonna go. I don't know yet. Let's see. That's not even a bone that fucking moves. Or supposed to. Fuck it. No, I can't do that because it's gonna look so weird. Okay, good. Like this. Okay, good. And about here, I can put this one too. Okay, so now let's see what it looks like from this side. God, that looks so fucking horrible. Alright, let's see. Is there any one of these on this one? No, there's not, so I can use that one. Alright, good. God, he looks like a fucking golem. Let's see. Oh my god, it's too funny. Hang on a sec. Okay, where's that? Let's see, where's the last one? Is it be here? And now, let me see. Pose. I want to do this one. 1, so it's going to be 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay, good. Let's do the same for this one. 40, 45. I'm just fucking having fun right now, so it's 50. Let's see what the heck this thing looks like. Fucking monstrosity. Anyways, doesn't matter. Hang on a second, check this out. So, let me stop this animation. Is it stopped? It stopped in here. Okay. So, I'm gonna say to this one up here, pose, clear transform all on the one that is selected. Good. I'm gonna say select these. That's too funny, man. And these. Alright, let's try this one. Hang on a second. Where did I go for? Please. Okay, hang on a sec. So. Alright. Essentially, this was the other animation, just like simple, like something like this, right? So let's see. God, that fucking monstrosity. Okay. Hang on. Okay, I'm done. Let's try this. Shift A. No, wait, how can I highlight all of them? Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, file. Let's see. See how this is done. File. Export. IMVKL 3D exporter. Let's see if this works, actually. So we're gonna say just the animations. Perfect. So we're gonna say, where am I gonna put it in? Holy crap, no, I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but we'll find a place. So, I'm gonna put it right here. Perfect. Here. n.xaf export. Perfect. Let's see, that should have done it, maybe? Maybe. Let's see. Okay, so this is the animation here. Now I'm gonna say Control A, Control Copy. I'm gonna go to Assets. Since I don't need a skeleton, I'm just gonna drag the animation through. Hang on. Anywho, so I imported it. I add playback speed 1. I said replace. Loops 1, loop start at 0 or 1. You can have it and end at 2000 or 1000. And then when you obviously click yourself, you know, and then does that stupid fucking animation. So yeah, not that hard.